Hey guys, this is Clarissa from amommistory.com. This is my blog where I go over different income streams that you can create for yourself online. If you've watched my videos before, I talk a little bit about my story. If you go to my website, you can read a bit about me and how I got started making money online. So I wanted to cover something very specific today on this video, which was I went over a little bit on the first video right before this. If you haven't seen it, you want to go ahead and watch it, and you want to know why I'm showing this, because I'm sort of giving a little bit of a task or homework, something you can do with what I'm about to teach. So this is my husband, Starling. I was talking about level rewards earlier and how there is a training set and all of that. I'm not going to go over what I went over on the first video. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it. For those of you that have seen it, so what I was saying with level rewards was once you sign up, you're at level 0. You level up in level rewards. And what level rewards does is that every level every referral that you have, depending on what level you are at, you can make at level 1, for example, you make $5 per referral. At level 2, I think you make $10 per referral. At level 3, you make 15. At level 4, you make 20. It continues to level up. Now, what you're looking to do is to level up as quickly as possible so you can make more money per referral. And as they level up, you make money from their leveling up as well. So level rewards is amazing. I've shown you the proof before on the other video. As I said, if you go to sideincome.info, sideincome.info, yeah, sideincome.info, you're going to end up on this page. It walks you through the process. You're going to watch this video that's going to go over, income proof, and tell you a little bit about what you do. You complete offers. The first offer that my husband completed was Nielsen Rewards. And Nielsen Rewards is an app that you install, a program that you basically install on your computer. What it does is it tracks the pattern or the way that you use and browse the internet, because it gathers information, it keeps track of analytics. This way, this is when they can put together information to give general public statistics. Statistically speaking, males are more prone to search and purchase these items, and females search these things, or more Latinos look at these brands and things like that. So that they gather that type of information, just like a census that we do. What is it? Every 10 years we do a census to know what population is like. So the same thing with Nielsen Rewards. It tracks the way our online activity, just to for statistical purposes for companies, so that they know how to better target their advertisement towards us, to keep us as consumers and things like that. And they pay you for using the internet. So for example, once you enroll into level rewards on this page, it gives you literally the step-by-step process. You will also then end up with a page just like this, a website just like this, at no cost to you for being part of our team. And you'll have a website like this that gives people the step-by-step what to do. Once you go through the motions, and you have your own level rewards page. This is my husband's back office, and these are the type of offers that you complete. And they give you credits. Every credit, when you go through the credits, you level up in your referral bonus level, basically. So I'll talk about this a little later, this 30-day ecom challenge group that I'm in. I'll make a video talking exactly about this program as well. This is another thing that generates me income. So when you're going through this process, and you want to go ahead and complete the offers that are going to very quickly get you at your first level, which is level 1 at $5 per referral. Every level is an extra $5, right? So level 1 is 5, level 2 is 10, level 3 is 15, level 4 is $20 per referral. every time that one of your referrals levels up, you make $5 for that referral leveling up. But you need to keep leveling up as well, because you could level up to like level 20, right? You can make up to $100+ per referral. Every time they level up one level, you get $5 when they level up. So you want to make sure that your referrals don't out-level you, right? You don't want them to be at a higher level than you, because then you're no longer earning those $5 every time they rank up. And it's so simple to do. For example, guys, the first thing that my husband did was Nielsen Rewards. Like I mentioned, something you install. It's free. It's no cost. And boom, you're at 1 credit, which gives you level 1, and you are already at $5 per referral. He also completed this Final Fantasy game that you install on your Android phone, and you play it, and you reach level 10, was it? Level 10? Yeah. So once you reach level 10, you get another credit, and boom, you're at $10 per referral. And so on and so forth. We also needed to get a domain name for this specific website that you're looking at. And like, it was that sideincome.info. And we got it for, how much did we pay for the, it was like $4.99. So, for the domain name for this specific, website. And this upped us a level. So from $10 went to $15. So there are things that you can do that are, super cheap like this, or free like these two, that will have you at, at an income. So, you're leveling up, and so on and so forth. This is a great way. Survey Rewards is another one that we did. Right, babe? Survey Rewards is the one that constantly pays out for completing surveys. About $5 a day on this, guys. So this is what we actually use when we complete these surveys. We use that money for the kids' allowances. So that's super cool to start teaching kids about money and how to earn their money. So we use this for the kids' allowance. We don't even pay the kids' allowances out of pocket. We make it right on this website. So moms, if you struggle with, giving your children allowance, especially if you're in a one income household and you have, maybe one or more children, and, they want to have their little money, and guys, Survey Rewards right here. This is a way to make some income that, it's not a lot, about $5 a day, 5 to maybe 11 or $12 a day, depending on how much time you put into it and how many surveys you qualify to complete. But that is a really nice little additional income that we've created, that we decided we're going to use that for the kids' allowances. So it's really cool. So this is really awesome. This is basically the offers that you're going to be completing for level rewards, and they up you a level. Every credit ups you a level. Yes? Yeah. So, so that's that. So this is level rewards. Like I said, once you make it, you are going to have your own website like this. So Checks on Checks website for our team. There's no cost to this, again, guys. And if you are gonna want to buy your a domain name to cover and mask this, but the cool thing is you get to level 1, have one referral, and there's your $5 that is paid into your PayPal, and with those $5 you go and you buy your domain name. So it's nothing is coming out of pocket. Guys, let this register. I don't want you paying out of pocket. I want you to start generating income, to start creating something for yourself that is going to, in the long run, make you a lot of money. It's going to give you some sort of stability, and you're going to be able to use that money into something else that will generate you a lot more than what I'm showing you now. Right now, what I'm showing you is these little baby steps that you can do to start seeing results. That is not difficult to learn. It's not, chemical science. You're not building a rocket and going on into space. You're doing very simple steps with tons of support and tons of training in the groups in the training websites, in the Facebook groups with 9,000 members, in the Facebook groups with, over or 26,000 members, on the other, level rewards and instant rewards group. It's got 26,000 members. So there is tons of support. There is a lot of this one's my husband's, he's not in it, I'm in it. Let me show you that I am in level rewards, instant rewards. So I'm in the group. This one's 9,000. Where's the other one? Right here. So this is instant rewards with 26,000 plus members. Okay, instant rewards, level of rewards. So we want to get you to start generating those $5 increments in income to then $10 and then $15 and then $20 per referral. We want you to keep going and moving up so you can get to $25 per referral, $35 per referral, $45, and so on and so forth, guys. So that is it for this video. This is how to get started with level rewards. You're going to complete offers. You can start off with the free offers, and as you keep going, some of the offers will have a price. You'll have to pay for them in order to continue to move forward. But it's not going to be an out-of-pocket cost. I don't want you making out-of-pocket costs payments. I want you to generate that income. We are going to teach you how to market this on Craigslist, on Facebook groups. Just like you are here because you want to learn how to make money online, there are thousands and thousands more people who want to do this as well. There are other people who have failed and have given up. So my goal is to help people avoid those pitfalls when it comes to trying to generate some sort of income online, to find the support necessary, to find the guided step-by-step process so that you can see results and you can see them quickly. And then we'll get into the real meat and potatoes where it's not just, $5 per referral to $20 to $30 per referral. I want you to start generating anywhere between $100 to $1,000 a day. And we will get to that on the next videos. The cost for those programs will come from your income generated from level rewards, from your income generated from other websites that I show on my website. This is my website, and I go over money making websites. This is such a brand new blog, guys. It's not 100% finished. I'm still working on it. I'm still adding all of the knowledge that I've accumulated since 2009 when I started my work from home journey. So what I was looking to do at first was put in programs and websites that will pay you either daily or weekly into your PayPal that don't require any upfront fees or super minimal upfront fees that you can use from the money that you've generated online. Okay, so if you go onto my website at mommystory.com, go onto money making websites, and I have your information and pages that you can go. I show the proof of my income proof. Okay, it is possible, guys. It's possible to create an income online. It's possible to have success. It is possible. You just need to be guided by the right people, by the people who truly do want to help you, by the people that have had the results, by people that have actually generated some income online. I will go over these websites on the next video. So I've gone over in full with how to get started with level rewards. So I want you right now to go over to sideincome.info and start your process. We are going to get your email and name when you do that, and we will reach out. You're going to have the step-by-step process, the training, the guidance. We're going to get you making some money right now. Okay? Go ahead, go right now, sideincome.info. I'll see you on the other side, and let's start getting you your first $5, guys, and so on and so forth. We'll show you how to do it on Craigslist and have maybe $10, $20, $25, $30 by tomorrow. Let's do it now.